Balik bayan tayong sandali at bisitahin natin ang isang maliit na bayan sa Pilipinas. May Kawayan, Bulacan. Bulacan is famous for jewelry making. You need college ring, wedding ring, necklace, bracelet, and pageant crown. They have it in Bulacan. Kilalanin po natin ang isang sikat na jewelry maker sa Bulacan. Yan ay si Manny Halasan. Ang fine jewelry making sa may Kawayan, Bulacan has been in existence since the 16th century. Matagal-tagal na rin. Manny Halasan is a famous designer and jewelry maker. He is the grandson of the owner of Metal Craft named Norma Halasan. He also graduated magna cum laude from De La Salle University, and he crafted the crown for Miss Asia and Pacific. And if you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Marami pa tayong dapat malaman.
Thank you for watching and please hit the subscribe button below.